it is important to set up limits, and limits is set up when we have already set up units, because whatever units you have entered, that is how the limits will be set in those units. Setting drawing limits is basically defining a drawing area. However, it must be observed that although you have defined a drawing area with the limits, it does not limit you in drawing inside of that drawing area only. When setting up limits, we normally have a lower left hand corner and upper right hand corner. So I'm going to go ahead and type in limits, LIM, for the shortcut enter, and AutoCAD is asking for the lower left hand corner, which is at the X and Y axis right here. Its default is 0, 0. I'm going to accept that. Now it asks for an upper right hand corner, so we are making a rectangular shape just as the size of the paper. Right, we have different size papers. As it relates to the paper sizes, we could go to the application menu, go to print, and this will take us to the dialog box, and we have paper size here, and we have a wide list of paper sizes, both in decimal, which is in inches, and we have it also in ISO, which is millimeters. And if you notice, we have two different paper sizes. One is just for portrait, and the second one is for landscape. It's the same paper size. Okay, and this can also be changed over here. I just wanted to highlight that. We're not going to go into printer setup now, that's for another video. This also depends on the input, whether it's metric or it's decimal. For example, for a decimal A size paper, the limit is set to default at 12.9, so 12 units on the x-axis and 9 units on the y-axis. I'm using the metric input, so the equivalent of the upper right hand corner being 12 to 9 is actually 297, 210. That would be millimeters. So 297, 210, and we'll press enter. And the units have been set. If you want to check it, you can always go back to units, and you will see the lower left hand corner 0, 0, and you'll press enter, and the upper right hand corner is set paper size that we have entered at the drawing area that we want to focus on. Okay, this is how you set up units. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and you can just subscribe for other videos like this, which is teaching basic setup in AutoCAD and drawing principles, especially in technical drawing for the preparation of CSET. Thanks again for watching.